Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. So today we will be learning English. We will be doing your unit 8A reading, that is half the price. So this story is about a fisherman, a story that takes place between a fisherman and a king. How the king placed his when fisherman asked for the reward, how did the king has given him the reward. So today we will be studying that in this story. So I shall be reading the lesson. Please follow up. Once there lived a fisherman in a town near the Arabian Sea. He was wise old fisherman. Here is a story about him. The fisherman had a daughter. She was 17 years old. That was the age of marriage for the girls in those days. So the fisherman was looking for a good bridegroom for his daughter. He found several young men, but he did not have enough money to get his daughter married to one of them. Some of his friends advised him to see the Raja who ruled the town and asked him for help. He was ready to take their advice, but he did not wish to go to the Raja without any gifts. He wished to take with him a gift that was good enough for the Raja. What gift could a fisherman give except a fish? But this fisherman was too old to go far out into the sea. Every day he saw several big fish in the sea and tried to catch one, but he failed. Then one day he was lucky. A very big fish fell into his net and he immediately set off for Raja's palace with great joy. But at the palace gate, the gatekeeper stopped him. So in this story, you must have observed, like once they lived a fisherman near the Arabian Sea. So he was an old fisherman and he had a daughter who was 17 years old. And at that time, that was the correct age for the daughter to get married. So that is why, but he didn't have enough money to set his daughter married. Okay, he doesn't have enough money for his daughter to get married, and henceforth many of his friends advised him to visit a Raja, the king of that particular place. But since he didn't had anything to present that Raja, so what he decided that he will take a gift, but he didn't had enough, but he didn't have anything to present the Raja as a gift. So he thought that I'll present a gift, but he was an old man, but he could not catch the fish. Okay, he could not catch a bigger fish. So every time he tried, he failed. So one day he was lucky enough that one big fish fell in his net, and as soon as he got that fish, what he did, he took that fish as a present to the king, and he directly went to the palace. But what happened at the entrance, gatekeeper stopped him. Now let us continue. Gatekeeper, you cannot go in. Fisherman, but I must see the Raja. I wish to give him the fish as a gift. Gatekeeper, you need not give him any fish. He has enough fish for several days. Fisherman, but I must speak to the Raja. I want to speak him about an important matter. Gatekeeper, you need not speak to the Raja. You can speak to me instead. Fisherman, I do not wish to speak to you about it. Gatekeeper, why can't you speak to me? Is it a secret? I can keep secrets. Fisherman, you need not to keep my secret. You must not stop me here. Everyone in the town can see the Raja at any time. The Raja himself said so, I hear. So what happened when the gatekeeper stopped him? Okay, when the gatekeeper stopped him, the fisherman said, why are you stopping me? So gatekeeper said, no, I cannot allow you to enter into the palace. So on that, fisherman said that, no, I want to meet the Raja because I want to give this fish as a gift to him. So on that, gatekeeper said, no, you cannot. Why? Because our Raja is having enough fish and that is going to last for several days. So on that, fisherman again said that, but I must speak to Raja. I must speak about an important matter. So gatekeeper said, you cannot speak about Raja, and whatever important matter is that you can say to me, because I can keep secrets, because I can keep secrets. So fisherman said, no, it's not secret and you need not to keep the secret from me. You know, in town, everyone can meet Raja whenever they wish so, because Raja himself has said it. Okay? Who will say this? Fisherman is saying. Now, gatekeeper, but I am sorry, you are wrong. The Raja has ordered me not to let anyone in now. I must obey his order. I will not let you in. Fisherman, please let me in. I must see the Raja and give him this fish. Gatekeeper, do you want to sell him the fish? What is its price? Fisherman, I am not selling it. I am giving it to Raja. Gatekeeper, but still he will certainly pay a good price for it. Not shall we divide the money between us? Will you give me the half of the price? Fisherman, how can I do that? Gatekeeper, you need not do that. You need not go in now. Fisherman, what shall I do now? Gatekeeper, you can do one of two things. Either agree to give me half the price or leave the palace and go home. So what happened next? The gatekeeper asked, but I am sorry. He said that I am sorry, but I could not allow you to meet Raja because Raja has asked me to not let anyone inside at this right moment of the time. So on gatekeeper said that please let me in because I have to give this fish to Raja. So on that again gatekeeper said, Awari, are you selling this fish to Raja and what is the price? So again fisherman said, no, this is not, I am not selling the fish to Raja, instead I am giving him as a gift. So kindly let me in. So kindly let me in. So on that he said that on that gatekeeper said, okay, I will, but Raja will certainly pay you a big amount of money. So whatever the money he is going to pay, let us divide it between us. So on that our fisherman was surprised and he said that why would I pay any kind of money with you? Why would I divide any kind of money with you? So on that gatekeeper said, you have two choices. You are left with two choices, and one is either to leave the castle or the second one is to pay the half of the price whatever the fisherman is giving. So he stood there for some time. And he said, thinking, okay, now, fisherman, will you take half of anything that the Raja gives me? Gatekeeper, he will give you either gold or silver. What else he will give you? I don't know anything about that. Answer my question. Will you take half of the anything I get from Raja? Gatekeeper, yes, I shall take anything. Now you can go in. Fisherman, thank you very much. I shall certainly give you half the price I get for the fish. The fisherman appeared before the Raja with his big fish. He placed the fish with a great respect at the Raja's feet. I have long wished to see you, your highness, and pay my respects to you. But I did not come till now because I was not able to find a gift that was good enough for you. Today I was lucky enough to catch this. Now finally, fisherman asked gatekeeper, whatever the Raja is giving me? So yes, on that gatekeeper explained that he will either give you gold or silver. So I will take half of it. He clarified with gatekeeper. Again he clarified with the gatekeeper that like whatever the Raja is giving you, because I don't know what Raja will give me. So on fisherman said, yes, I will take half of anything whatever the Raja is giving you. So on that the fisherman appeared before the Raja with his big fish, and he said that your honor, I have long wish in the sense a long desire that has been lasting for several days. Long, long means not lengthwise long means desire that is lasting for several days. But I didn't had any gift to present in front of you. But today I was lucky enough that I got this fish, and henceforth I am presenting this to you. Okay. So Allah Hafiz students, I shall continue in the next class.